Welcome to the amazing world of 1,000 Vlogs. Tokyo Ramen Kokugikan Mai is a popular ramen-focused food court located in Aqua City, Odaiba, Tokyo. It features 6 renowned ramen restaurants from various regions of Japan, including Sapporo, Hakata, Saitama, Nagoya, Nagano, and Tokyo. Each restaurant offers its own unique style of ramen, allowing visitors to experience a diverse range of flavors in one location. The food court also includes terrace seating with panoramic views of Tokyo Bay, enhancing the dining experience. Tokyo Ramen Kokugikan has hosted many shops since its grand opening in 2005. And as it marks the significant 10th anniversary since it was reborn as Tokyo Ramen Kokugikan Mai in April 2016, it is reaching a major milestone. Incorporating a variety of productions and playful decorations based on the motif of the Kokugikan, IT aim to be a new hub for disseminating ramen culture, where you can enjoy the local flavors of each region and the unique specialities of each shop all at once. On the occasion of this renewal, several new shops will open, Ramen Anari and Menya Torino Kiji making their first appearance in Tokyo. Gakuyo Chuka Soba Fukumi, the second location in Japan. And Tantente 175 Dino, a new business format. In addition, you can continue to enjoy the existing shops Sapporo Misono and Kanazawa Nuko Tonkatsu Ramen Shinsen. Please like, share, and subscribe.
I wanted the egg, I didn't get it.
The concept for this renewal is Neo Kokugikan. We have reconstructed the appeal of ramen, which has matured as a culture, in a space that features the entertainment qualities typical of Odaiba, while maintaining the style where unique ramen from all over the country gathers. The area will be reborn as a collective space where you can fully enjoy the ingredients and skills of both new and existing shops. By incorporating various productions and playful decorations based on the motif of the Kokugikan, we aim to be a new hub for disseminating ramen culture where you can enjoy local flavors and shop specialties all at once. Newly opened shops Ramen Anari. This is the evolution of Hakata Tonkatsu, Menya Torino Kiji. Rich and creamy soup made only from domestic chicken. Gakuyo Chuka Soba Fukumi. Exquisite chuka soba created from the finest ingredients. Tantente 175 Dino. Authentic Tanta noodles by a chef who trained in Sichuan province and whose shop was selected as one of Hokkaido's 100 best. Please do watch our other Tokyo, Japan playlist. Continuing shops, Sapporo Misono, ramen using miso from Japan's northernmost point, established 130 years ago. Kanazawa Nuko Tonkatsu Ramen Shinsen, an ultra-rich tonkatsu shoyu ramen shop originating in Kanazawa. Please do watch our other food crawl series. Okyo Ramen Kokugikan Mai, established in 2016, is a renowned complex featuring 6 authentic ramen restaurants run by esteemed Japanese chefs. The venue offers an array of regional ramen styles, each with its own unique flavors and ingredients. Visitors can easily navigate the ordering process using English instructions and vending machines. Once ordered, patrons can expect quick service and piping hot dishes. The establishment's clean ambience and attentive staff further enhance the dining experience. Have you been to Tokyo, Japan? What was your experience? Let us know in the comments section below. Why you should go. 1. Experience a variety of regional Japanese ramen styles from 6 different specialized restaurants. 2. Unique concept of multiple mini shops within one location dedicated to distinct types of ramen. Generous portion sizes and flavorful options like rich tonkatsu ramen with large pork ribs. Thank you for watching.